Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best styrofoam for flower arrangements, the FLOFARE pack of 6 dry and wet floral foam blocks. Whether you're crafting for weddings, birthdays, or simply beautifying your home or office, this product is designed to be the perfect foundation for all your floral creations. Each pack includes 6 soft, fine, and odorless foam blocks, roughly the size of a typical brick. These blocks are incredibly versatile, suitable for both fresh and artificial flowers, making them ideal for a wide range of floral arts, decor projects, DIY crafts, and even gardening. One of the standout features of this foam is its excellent water absorption capacity. It soaks up water quickly and holds moisture to keep natural flowers fresh for weeks, which is essential for anyone wanting long-lasting floral displays. The FLOFARE foam is also very user-friendly when it comes to shaping. You can easily cut it with a sharp kitchen knife to fit any vase, bowl, or basket. This flexibility opens up endless creative possibilities, whether you're making a simple centerpiece or an elaborate floral arrangement for a special event. Another point worth highlighting is the foam's medium density. This means it provides a firm and sturdy foundation that securely holds stems in place, whether they're fresh or silk flowers. This stability ensures your arrangements maintain their shape and style without the foam crumbling or breaking apart over time. It's important to handle the foam properly when using it wet. The manufacturer advises against pressing or shoving the foam blocks into water, as this can create air pockets inside that may cause flower stems to dry out. Instead, gently let the foam absorb water naturally for the best results. In terms of size, each block measures about 7.8 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and 2.4 inches high, making them large enough to work with but still easy to manage. The green color of the foam is perfect for blending in with the stems and leaves of your floral designs. The product is designed for use indoors and outdoors, which adds to its versatility. Whether you're decorating a garden party or an indoor event, this floral foam has you covered. Additionally, it comes from a small business brand, so purchasing this product supports independent makers and encourages quality craftsmanship. Overall, FLOFARE's floral foam is a reliable and affordable choice for both amateurs and professionals who want durable, easy-to-use materials for their flower arranging needs. With its quick water absorption, easy customization, and sturdy support, it's a tool that can help bring your floral visions to life effortlessly. That wraps up our review of the FLOFARE pack of 6 dry and wet floral foam blocks. If you're looking for a dependable foundation for your flower arrangements, this is definitely one to consider. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.